Good morning, students. Today we do activity 6 word problem. Clear? So let's start with it. First word problem is a train starts from Delhi at 8:30 a.m. and reaches Firozabad in 5 hours 25 minutes. At what time does the train reach Firozabad? First of all, you have to see how to write a statement here. So, firstly, we will understand how to write a statement. First line C, it is written, train starts from Delhi at 8:30 am. So, first statement will be, train starts at, clear, and reaches in 5 hours 25 minutes. Clear? So first line will be train starts at. After that, in second line, to us given duration of time, that how much time a train takes to reach Firozabad, that the train reaches Firozabad in 5 hours 25 minutes. So this is a duration of a time. Clear, students? And at the end, last line will be at what time train reaches Firozabad. Train reaches Firozabad at. So what do you do here? When duration is given to you and one time is given to you, students, you have to plus them. See how we plus it. First line you understood now how to write. Train starts at 8:30 am. Now am1 we will convert in hours. Clear? So how we convert in am? When we convert in hours, we do no change. Exact we write it, but in place of am, only hours come, and before 8 we have to put 0 because 24-hour clock is having 4 digits. Clear? After that second line, I told you that line is telling a duration of a time. How much time train take? 5 hours 25 minutes. Clear? Now last line will be train reaches Firozabad at. So when duration is given to you, so what we do? Plus. So we already converted the am time into hours. So it will be 8 hours 30 minutes. So 8 we will write under hours and 30 we write under minutes. Now 5 hours and 25 we write down. After that we plus it. 30 plus 25 is 55. 8 plus 5 is 13. As you all know that 13 is bigger than 12. So what do? You will minus 12 from it. And when you minus it, answer will come 1:55 p.m. Because when we minus 12 from it, answer will be converted in 12-hour clock. And in 12-hour clock, when we minus, answer will be comes in p.m. Clear? Then we write a last line. Last line is a hence line. So the train reaches Firozabad at 1:55 p.m. Clear, students? Now we do question number 4. Question number 4 is Mohit started from home at 10:15 a.m. Means when he started, Mohit started from home at 10:50 a.m. It is a first line. And he reaches his friend house in 3 hours 45 minutes. Means what is given this thing? This is the duration of time. Because when the hours are given, definitely that will be a duration of time. And at what time? When they ask you not time, at what time he reaches his friend house. So in this case also you have to plus. As we have done in first question. Clear? So see the first line. Mohit started from home at 10:15 a.m. So again we convert in 24-hour clock. That answer will be 10:15 hours. Clear? Then second line gave us duration of a time, that is 3 hours 45 minutes. At the end, what we need? At what time he reached his friend house. So in this case, when we have to find time, at that time what we do? We have to plus both the numbers. So when we plus it, in minutes 60 come, and you know that if the number is 60 and more than 60, what we do? We minus 60 from here and plus 1 here. Clear? Simultaneously you have to do this thing. 60 minus 60 is 0 and 13 plus 1 is 14. Again student, it is a 24-hour clock because we already converted am into hours. So it is a 24-hour clock. So what do? This 14 you have to convert in a 12-hour clock. by minus 12 from it. When you minus it, you know that when we minus 12 from any number, answer will come in PM. So answer will be 2 PM. So Mohit reached his friend's house at 2 PM. Clear, students? Now we do question number 5. Question number 5 is, my school starts at, means school starts at 7:30 am. It will be a first line. School closes at 2 PM. Now see here, both the times are given. It means that we have to find what? We have to find duration. Means how much time we spend in the school. So for finding duration, what you have to do, one way is to convert AM into 24-hour clock and PM also in a 24-hour clock. After that, minus it. But it's a long process. So we will do in another way. Another way is, firstly, this line, as I told you from the statement only, school starts at 7:30 am. School closes at 2 PM. Then total time I spend in school. So what I said, you are finding duration. So duration, how to find? You will take 7:30 am to 8:30 am. Firstly, you write. Then 8:30 to 9:30 am you will write. 9:30 to 10:30 am you write. 10:30 to 11:30 am you write. Like this manner you have to write a time. Means you are dividing a time in a slots of 1 hour. Means you are starting from 7:30 and going to 8:30, then 8:30 to 9:30. Like this manner we will complete our duration till 2 PM. 7:30 to 8:30, how much time is there? 1 hour. Because when we complete 8:30, it will be a 1 hour. Similarly, 8:30 to 9:30, how much time? 1 hour. Till 1:30, it will be a 1 hour each. Then 1:30 to 2 PM, how much time spent? Only half hour. So half hour is 30 minutes. Clear, student? Now what we do, we will plus them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So time will be 6 hour 30 minutes. Clear? So our time will be 6 hour 30 minutes. Clear, students? So what is the time? Time is 6 hour 30 minutes. Clear? So here is written 5 hours. So that is not 5 hours. That is 6 hour 30 minutes. So clear it. It is 6 hour. Clear? So what is the time? Time is 6 hour 30 minutes. Clear, students? Now we will do next question. Arushi completed her homework in 25 minutes. Means time she has taken to complete homework is 25 minutes. After that, she spent time on playing how much? 1 hour 10 minutes. And on watching cartoon, she spent 45 minutes. You have to tell how much time did she spend in on me. You have to tell total time. So all these 3 times, what do? You will plus. Clear? So see how we plus them. Clear? Firstly, we write time spent on homework. Then time spent on playing. Then we write time spent on cartoon. Clear? Then total time spent. Firstly, we write biggest time. Biggest time is 1 hour 10 minutes. We write 1 here and 10 this side. Then 25 minutes are there only. It means that hours are not given. So in hours, what we write? 0. And 25 down of minutes. Then 45 minutes. 45 we write down of 45 minutes. And in hours, we write 0. Now we will plus them. If we plus 10 plus 25, it will be 35. 35 if I plus in 45, what answer come? 80. Clear? Now see, students, 80 is what? 80 is minutes. Can 80 be a minutes? No, 80 can't be a minutes because maximum minutes are 60. So what I have done? Minus 60 from 80 I am doing here. After this, 180 is coming. So what you have to do? 180 plus 1 here and minus 60 here. So your answer will be 2 hours 20 minutes. Clear, students? Clear? Like this manner we do word problem of activity 5. Clear? So I hope you understand how to find the duration and how to do this type of word problems. Clear? When you are finding time, at that time you have to do plus, and when you are finding duration means both the AM and PM answer is given. In that case, you have to find a duration, and duration you know how to find. In this manner you have to do questions, and I hope you understand this one concept. Thank you and have a nice day.